Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off notifications from Shein. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Shein application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings options from here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for contact preferences. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now, once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the contact preferences interface. Over here, you'll be able to find various options. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for new message notifications. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the notifications interface. Now you'll be able to adjust the notifications from here. If you want to turn off specific notification, what you have to do is toggle off the button right next to that notification. For example, if I want to turn off the notification for order reminder, what I have to do is toggle off this button that you can see right over here on your screen. But if you want to turn off the notification overall, you can simply turn off all the button, or you can also tap on this option new message notification. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the device settings. From here, you'll be able to turn off all the notifications. You'll be able to find the option for all Shein notifications over here. Right now it is toggled on. So simply toggle off this button. Now after you do that, all the notifications from Shein will be turned off. So that is how you turn off notifications from Shein. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.